Take responsibility for your stuff. To be at your best, you gotta own your stuff. You gotta own it. Full ownership. You gotta own your stuff. You gotta own it. You gotta take full responsibility for every result in your life. Take full ownership. The good, the bad, and the ugly. Take responsibility. And stop blaming other people for the results that you have. Own your stuff. Even if it wasn't your fault, take responsibility. Because every time you blame somebody else or pass off blame to someone else, what you're saying is that person is the only person who has the power to fix it. It puts you on the sideline and gets you off the field. Oh, that was their fault. Somebody else got to go fix it then. Take responsibility for your stuff. Yeah, it may not have been your fault. I get it. It may have been a tragedy. It may have been somebody doing you wrong. Somebody could lie, cheated, stole, whatever. But take responsibility for where you are today. If you're not getting the results that you want to get, that's on you. Because you can change your choices, change your behavior, you can change your perspective, but you got to own your stuff and stop passing it off to somebody else.